Let's learn the name of some vehicles. First vehicle on the screen is cycle. C-Y-C-L-E. Cycle. Next vehicle is scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Scooter. Next vehicle is tractor. T-R-A-C-T-O-R. Tractor. Tractor. Next vehicle is car. C-A-R. Car. C-A-R. Car. Next vehicle is bus. B-U-S. Bus. Next vehicle is bike. B-I-K-E. Bike. Next vehicle is truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. Next vehicle is auto. A-U-T-O. Auto. Next vehicle is train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Next vehicle is metro train. M-E-T-R-O. Metro train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Metro train. Next vehicle is aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Next vehicle is helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. Helicopter. Helicopter. Subscribe for more videos. Keep watching this channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.